Hello, it's Autumn here, and today I'm not going to be doing any normal videos like story times or random opinions on things. You see, today is a really special day, so this video is especially for my mom. Today is her birthday, and she's not quite feeling well, so I'm going to make a little video for her as a prize. Anyway, we should really put in some music. Let me search that up. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the music, Mom. Anyway, here's your gift. See what it is. It's a roll, please. Fennec Fox! Yay! Anyway, Mom, I hope you enjoyed this video.